G'day everyone. I hope you're all healthy and well, being fed, and that everyone's getting on okay in your phonos, considering lockdown's keeping us all at home at the moment. Look, I'm just going to quickly show you how to find the instructions for the work that I've got on the screen here. My comment tells you to go up to Files, go into Class Materials, and look at these documents here. This one here, document number 1, was for last week, and this one here, number 2. Click onto that, and it takes you into some of the work related to the Y10 novel that you're reading. And I want you to again look at some notes on character. You're going to be looking at talking about Connor, Risa, or Lev with a bit of a brainstorm, coming up with about 9 character traits for these people. You only have to do one character. I've got an example here about the character of Sci-Fi. For example, I've said he's intelligent, he's driven, he is a survivor. The first step I want you to do is just figure out what might be some character traits for them. I've got a link here to a web page with a whole long list of character traits. When you filled out that table, I want you to choose the 3 main character traits that you think are you'll have lots to talk about on, and write them down here. I've chosen intelligent, Sci-Fi as a survivor, and conflicted. And then alongside in these boxes here, I want you to talk about where in the novel there is some evidence for them being, for example, intelligent or being a survivor. So I've just given you a demonstration of that. Below here, further on the page, I've got some boxes that you can fill out when you do this work for your particular character, whether it be Connor, Risa, or Lev. And they go all the way through the box, so there's plenty you should be able to say. When you have filled it out, you can send or share it with me on that address, and at any time you can contact me through the Teams page here, and I can give you some extra help and some hints if you need. Maybe you need some help finding some quotes if you want to add that to your notes. Okay, thanks boys.